Here's an unpopular opinion. I believe that greatness is within reach for everyone. What do I mean? Well, if we think about greatness in a certain way, where it's only a reserve for a few, that for people to be great, they have to have a great leadership position, or that they've got to be of a certain net worth and so on, of course, then greatness is not for everyone. But if we believe that greatness is a way of being, that it's a choice, that greatness is about who you are becoming than what you are achieving, then greatness is accessible and possible for everyone. And that is why when I talk about unleashing your greatness, I really believe that each team, each individual can really access and tap into their hidden potential by really focusing on what is it that sets them apart from everybody else. And then tapping into all those other keys like living your values, pursuing excellence, and creating the future. That's when you really can tap into your greatness.